This 2026 Keystone Alpine 3910RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Jackson, Mississippi, 49202 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Jackson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a dovetail interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front bath, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.